Infineon Technologies' OPTIGA Trust-M IoT Security Development Kit develops and evaluates end-to-end security use cases for IoT devices. The development kit can also build additional IoT security use cases such as IP protection, crypto offloading, secure firmware updates, and more. Modus Toolbox supports the Infineon OPTIGA Trust-M IoT Security Development Kit. The kit enables users to prototype various security use cases and build full-featured IoT applications. The board includes OPTIGA Trust-M Security Solution, the PSOC62, an ARM Cortex-M4 and M0 Plus microcontroller, and the AROC CYW43012 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo chip. The AROC CYW43012 is a low-powered device that supports dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. The development board is delivered with 2 ready-to-use security use cases, including the secured communication with AWS over MQTT with crypto support from OPTIGA Trust-M, as well as the secured zero-touch cloud provisioning using current Cloud ID and the pre-provisioned X.509 certificate delivered with the OPTIGA Trust-M. The OPTIGA Trust-M IoT Security Development Kit allows for instant evaluation of secured cloud communication and secured cloud provisioning use cases and the flexibility to quickly develop full-featured IoT device prototypes. All main board components are provided by Infineon and supported via Modus Toolbox. For more information on Infineon Technologies' OPTIGA Trust-M IoT Security Development Kit, visit mouser.com.